first thing you're going to notice down here, we were checking this out the other day, was some construction going on down here. So it's down to one lane of traffic each way. We also noticed a bunch of these shops over here are closed. T-shirt place is still open. Usually get some homeless people hanging out on the wall. I don't see any today. Vacant, vacant, vacant. ABC store. So it looks like there was some damage to the wall over here.
There's a lot of cruise
Volleyball. There's a cruise ship out there that came in, I guess, this morning or late last night. So probably a lot of people coming in off the cruise ship today. Now, one of our favorite places here, Foster's Kitchen, coming up on Foster's Kitchen, is closed. They had a kitchen fire. I'm hearing from the locals they're not going to open it anytime soon. But this is not that pretty with all this construction going on. So that was Foster's Kitchen there. So they're shut down.
Are you stopping at tourists?
People like to walk Ollie Drive. So I don't know how long this has been going on. I'm guessing for a while. So avoid Ollie Drive. If you have to come through here, go around it. We're here for 4th of July weekend 2026, so there's going to be some fireworks going off over in the bay here, so we'll get to catch that. You see a lot of people run and bike through here. You can't even really do that now. Looks like people are walking. You want to walk or?
Yeah, if my husband's not going to get killed holding that GoPro in his hands.
Well, this is called my insurance policy. So now you don't even have much of a sidewalk to walk down with this. Feeling a little beat up down this way lately. flea market. All right, we'll cut it off there. You get the idea. See you in the next one.